Welcome to Homework Lib.
Okay, so I have 500 farmers and they are growing wheat, corn, and oats. 124 are only wheat, 107 are only corn, 88 are only oats. Okay, and I want to make sure that those numbers go in the circles so they're not touching any of the other regions. So wheat only means this part of the circle. I don't want to be here, here, or here, because then that means wheat and corn, wheat and oats, or wheat, corn, and oats. Okay, so let's get some other information down. 60 are wheat and corn. 53 are wheat and oats. 203 are wheat. Okay, so what this is telling me is my total wheat circle, I'm going to use another color here, this total wheat circle has to have 203 people in it. Right now I have 124. So I'm going to subtract that 124. So 203 minus 124, that means I have 79 people in this region, and this region combined. Okay. Since I have 60 in wheat and corn, so this is wheat and corn, and 53 in wheat and oats. Okay, so I have a problem here because 60 plus 53 is greater than 79. So what's going on? What's going on is that some people are being counted more than once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my 60 and 53. Okay, I'm going to add that 60 and 53. That gives me 113. And then I'm going to subtract the 79. So that gives me 34. And who are those people? The 34 people are the people in the innermost region. So then if I have 60 in wheat and corn, I have 60 minus 34, or 26. Okay, so let's just hold on a second so I'll show you how this makes sense. Because in this region now, which is wheat and corn, I have 26 plus 34, that's my 60. Now wheat and oats, that's this region right here, I need 53 people. So 53 minus 34 is 19. And now if you add those four numbers together, 124 plus 19 plus 34 plus 26, you get the 203 that you need. Okay, so let's see what else we've got. We must have one more clue. Okay, 176 grew corn. So let me use another color here. In the corn circle total, I have to have 176. The same way I had to have 203 in the wheat circle. So let's see, I have 176 minus the 107 minus 26 minus 34. That means that I have 9 people in this region. Okay, so now I've got my diagram all filled in. Now I can answer the questions. So let's see. In question A, how many people grew at least one of the three? So at least one of the three. So I want to add all the numbers inside the circles. So 124 plus 107 plus 88 plus 19 plus 26 plus 9 plus 34. 407 people grew at least something. Because remember, we surveyed 500, and if we have 407 in the circles, then that means 93 people didn't grow wheat, corn, or oats. Okay, let's move on to B. In B, how many grew all three? Well, that's the innermost region, so that's 34 people. Didn't grow any? Well, we already figured that out. That's 93. Those are the people outside the circle. And then D says grew exactly 2. So we want the 2 regions now. So that's 26, 9, and 19. So let's add that. 26 plus 9 plus 19. That is going to give me 54. And that's it. Those are your answers.